Hello everyone, my name is Hosnara Khatun and I am going to discuss about a topic, a very interesting topic, and the topic name is the importance of technology in education. So what is technology? Technology kind of a thing like it's a great impact in our life. If we want to buy something or we want to watch a movie or we want to learn something, we have to use technology to do so. So technology also has changed our aspect of our life, like how we should read or how we should learn, that kind of things. We need technology. Okay, so here are some key points. So how we can analyze these things, how the topic is important for ourselves. So first thing is it is very easily accessible. So if anyone wants to learn something and they are like far away from the school or they are not able to be there, so they are easily do this by their own self or by their own comfort area. So they will do this for themselves. And also there are some other things like it will improve learner as well as teachers. So if some teachers or a teacher wants to teach student a difficult topic or wants to teach them a topic in a greater way, they can improve it by the using of videos or animated videos. They can easily do it. Okay, and if a learner or we can say students wants to learn something but the topic is quite difficult or do some homework but it's quite difficult for them, they can easily do it by the help of the internet or we can say technology. Third one, we have like personalized learner. If a learner or a student wants to learn something but it's quite out of the basic, like if someone wants to learn coding or like if someone wants to learn in a creative way like crafts and arts, these kind of things are not easily accessible in schools, and that time we have various types of verified apps as well as website, so we can do it. So we are just have to enroll it. They will give us some personalized feedback and also they can show you or they can provide you the progress report that will help us to a lot to improve our skill also. So basically what I can say, like if you want to upgrade our skill, technology has a great impact on it. Okay, and fourth one, I must say it has challenges. Okay, so everything has pros and cons. So pros already I have discussed earlier, but cons, yes, we have cons. Technology, yes, it helps us to upgrade our skill, makes our life easy, but it has cons, like if we are so dependent on it, it lost our communication skill. Okay, see, so if someone, like we are human beings, so we have to have a social life. So it is good to have an upgrade life or to upgrade our life, but it's always a limit. So we should have a limit and we have to have a social life as well. So that is all my topic, and I really want to thank all of you and also EFA Academy to giving me this opportunity and to talk in front of all of you, and I am feeling grateful to be here. Thank you so much.